Welcome to Shine Your Light. My name is Amber, and we have a new deck to open up and flip through. As you can see, the plastic is already removed from this deck because I am recording this during Mercury retrograde, and for the first time ever, I had a video not save. Even though I had tested it out and did a sound check test video before I started, and I know it was recording because I had to pause it because my dog Atlas, who you may hear in the background, had started barking at one point, and there was nothing. None of it had saved. So here we are with no struggle with the plastic, but we are going to try this again, and I am confident it's going to work this time. The funny thing was the last time I just had a feeling something was going to happen with it, with that video. And that's why I did the extra sound check and everything to begin with. But anyway, here we are. And this is the Dragon Path Oracle cards by Caroline Mitchell and illustrated by, forgive me if I mispronounce this, Tiras Verey. Forgive me if I mispronounce any of the names of the cards in this deck, but I will give it my best shot. I did purchase this from Amazon, and you see it is a box with a cover. And the back of the box says, "Harness the energy of the dragons. Dragons are immensely powerful, creative, inquisitive, and honorable beings. This original oracle deck allows you to channel the energy and insight of 33 multidimensional dragons, all beautifully and faithfully illustrated by Tiras Verey, a psychic who has seen each dragon for himself. Let the dragons guide you in becoming the best possible version of yourself as you release fears and pain, accept and nurture yourself, and embrace spiritual awakening." Caroline Mitchell is a dragon healing master and a fourth-generation psychic. She is also a gifted tarot reader, spiritual coach, and workshop leader, and a trained Reiki master in traditional Usui and dragon-guided Reiki. Find out more at www.carolinemitchell.info. And I have seen a couple videos of her on YouTube, and I believe she is known as the original Dragon Lady. So we will open this up. And this is the book. I already love the art and the colors. I'll just set this aside. All right, we'll start with the book. Prepare to meet the 4 dragon clans, Earthwalk, Galactic, Grand Master, and Guardian Dragons, each with their own special intuition to share. Working with the dragons, you will notice when the universe is answering our call, and then act upon it. As your spiritual growth deepens, you become more self-aware and release old belief patterns, behaviors, and ways of being. There is no set way to use the cards. I like that. Connect with the dragons in the way that feels right for you, whether that is picking a daily guidance card for instant insight or using the spreads described in the booklet, such as the month ahead spread, defining your focus for the next 4 weeks, or the spiritual seeker spread, created to help you on your spiritual journey. Caroline Mitchell has spent over 2 decades encountering and channeling the energy of the dragons, and she shares their actual words with you inside this booklet. That is awesome. All right, and this paper slides off nice and easy. It actually did the first time too. Couldn't believe it. And they are a glossy kind of cardstock. And I love this. I love the back of the card shaped like a dragon. That's just awesome. All right. So let's see. Maybe I should look at the book a little bit more first inside, because I believe, yes, there is a table of contents. So I believe the first, I think it's 16 cards, are the Earthwalk dragons, and there are 4 galactic dragons in this deck, and 5 Grandmaster dragons in this deck, and the rest are the Guardian dragons. And you can learn more about Caroline Mitchell, about the clans, and I think it did have spreads in here too. Yes, Dimensions and Dragon Clans. Who are the dragons? Meet the dragon clans. Yep. And then these start with the spreads. And then there are, of course, descriptions for each of the dragons. So I am looking forward to learning more and more about these. And the first one we have is number 1, Balance. And I just absolutely love the artwork. The colors are beautiful and vibrant. Number 2, Harmony. Number 3, Transformation, like a monarch butterfly. And of course the butterfly is a symbol of transformation. Ooh, Father Time. These are very cool. That was number 4. Number 5 is Peace. It's nice. 6, Confidence. 7, Magic and Manifestation. 8, Spirit. 9, Courage. 10, Freedom. 11, Emergence. 12, Single. 13, Avebury Matriarch. 14, Orbron. And again, I apologize if I am not pronouncing some of these correctly. I will learn as I go, I suppose, or you can correct me in the comments and help me learn. 15, Destiny. Just look at the detail in their face. So neat. 16, Grace. 17, Octramus. Nice little sphere there. 18, Luna. Very cool. 19, Crystal. 20, Lord Kutumi. 21, Merlin the Dragon. It's awesome. 22, Serene. 23, Platinum. 24, Illuminare. 25, the philosopher. 26, the healer. 27, Asclepius. 28, Mordwin. 29, Soul Guardian. 30, Dolphin. It's got the dolphin-like tail. Very cool. 31, Gaia. 32, Divine Feminine. 33, Hearn. Oh, look at that. So neat. What beautiful cards. And I can't wait to learn more about each of them. Let's give them a shuffle. Let's see, we'll turn this way. They shuffle nicely. Maybe we'll get one out and read the description and just kind of get a look at kind of what they're like. Let's try it this way. This one is standing up to me. Illuminare. It is number 24. Let's look that up. Oh my gosh, I flipped right to it. That's crazy. I love it when that happens. All right, Illuminare. Only truth has integrity and can stand the test of time. If you have picked Illuminare today, here is his message. I illuminate what can't be seen, that which is hidden within you. Your truth needs to be seen and shared. You cannot hide behind your masks forever. Your shields of false protection don't serve you. Only the truth has integrity and can stand the test of time. Illuminare is the first dragon I met who also holds angelic as well as dragon energy, in this case from the Archangel Uriel. Illuminare appears when we are not listening and have been resisting what needs uncovering and changing within our lives. This is usually of a spiritual or personal nature. Rest assured, you are now ready to deal with whatever has been lurking in the depths of your being. Whether this is a spiritual awakening or a deep personal healing, it's ready to be activated. The rest of his message is this. Spiritual warriors of Earth, collectively we can change the world, although humankind is not yet ready for us in all our might. You and others like you are preparing the way, anchoring the light into the planet. Are you ready to continue your amazing journey of empowerment? Illuminare invites you to see the truth in all situations. He says, do not fear this illumination. Truth is a liberating and powerful ally. Your fears lie with change, but open your heart and welcome it to your core, allowing the light to guide you forward. That's very cool. I like the way the messages are worded. I love the artwork. And I am really looking forward to working more with this deck. Thank you so much for going through these with me and being here. I truly appreciate you. Until next time.